So welcome back to another new episode of Aman Sharma, and in today's episode we'll be talking about the series. We'll be trying to understand the Starting Troubles series. And the reason why I'm making this video, the reason why I'm talking about this series, this medical series, is only because I think it is the best Indian medical series I've ever watched till now, and it is because of only two reasons. The first reason is it is completely based on the real life experiences, and it is completely based on a real live person, which is Dr. Jagdish Chaturvedi, and which you can see from the very first episode. And the second most important reason why I like this show is it has spoken about the biggest problem in the Indian medical education, which we would be talking about in the further in this video. And I don't know कितनी बड़ी ये वीडियो होने वाली है. I think I am expecting it to be 15 to 20 minutes. Let's see how this video goes. और हाँ, ये वीडियो थोड़ी लंबी होने वाली है. अगर समय नहीं है तो इसको वॉच लेटर में डालो और बाद में देख लेना. बट जो भी लोग देखोगे लास्ट तक देखना, हर एक एस्पेक्ट में हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं. फर्स्टली वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट द इंडियन मेडिकल सीरीज ड्रामा सीन जो चल रहा है, क्या क्या इंडियन मेडिकल सीरीज आ रही है अभी तक के जो आई थी, उससे ये जो स्टार्टिंग ट्रबल सीरीज आई है वो कैसे अलग स्टैंड आउट हो रही है, वो क्या एक नया ऑडियंस के लिए चीज लेके आ रही है. सो या लेट्स जस्ट गेट स्टार्टेड विद द वेरी फर्स्ट पार्ट. तो यार, अगर तुम लोग कभी भी क्लियरली नोटिस करोगे, अभी तक की जो इंडियन मेडिकल सीरीज अभी तक की आई हैं वो सारे या तो दो ही थीम्स पे बेस्ड होती. द फर्स्ट थीम इज आइदर दे वुड शो सिंपल कॉलेज लाइफ, स्टूडेंट्स लाइक कॉलेज लाइफ दिखाएंगे, तो मैं एमबीबीएस स्टूडेंट की कॉलेज लाइफ दिखाएंगे, एंड विद अ स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ मेडिकल लाइक हॉस्पिटल्स वाले सीन दिखाएंगे, जैसे कि तुम लोगों ने देखा होगा ऑपरेशन एमबीबीएस. एंड राइट नाउ व्हाइल आई एम मेकिंग दिस वीडियो, ऑपरेशन एमबीबीएस का पार्ट 2 का ट्रेलर आ चुका है, सीजन 2 का ट्रेलर आ चुका है, एंड आई थिंक दे वुड बी ट्राइंग टू फोकस अपॉन द कोविड पैंडेमिक एंड ऑल्सो some kind of those things. And moving on to the second theme, which you would clearly notice among the Indian medical shows, is either they would talk about the college life, or either they would talk about the social problems related to the healthcare in India. But let me tell you an interesting fact, there is a third theme also, which is like right now अभी उसमें एक भी सीरीज नहीं बनी, इंडियन मेडिकल सीरीज नहीं बनी. The shows like which contains in the West, I am talking about the shows which contains like Good Doctor, Polo, Grey's Anatomy, which mostly focuses upon the case solving history and which mostly focuses upon the hospital as a whole. So उस kind of shows अभी भी नहीं आए हैं, और अभी भी maybe in the future they would come, and I think Operation MBBS is kind of mixture of that thing. So basically if you guys might be thinking कि यार ये क्या चल रहा है, क्योंकि स्टार्टिंग ट्रबल सीरीज इतना ज़्यादा फेमस हुआ है इंडियन मेडिकल कम्युनिटी में, when you would say about the reason why it is standing out from other Indian medical dramas like Operation MBBS लाखों में एक, is because of the only one fact, the way they have told the story, the way they have put out the whole story in front of the audience. तो बेसिकली अभी तक चल क्या रहा था कि कोई भी इंडियन मेडिकल सीरीज हो या फिर कोई भी एक वेब सीरीज हो, तो उसमें क्या होता है, वेरी फर्स्ट एपिसोड में आपको मेन कैरेक्टर से बताया जाता है, मेन कैरेक्टर से इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाता है, एंड उसके बाद उनकी एक बेसिकली बैक स्टोरी बताई जाती है, उसके बाद आने वाले एपिसोड में सारे उसकी स्टोरी बताई जाती है. But on the other hand, when you go on see the very first episode of Starting Troubles, दो स्टोरीज साथ ही साथ चल रही है, ऑडियंस को कुछ भी नहीं पता कि दोनों स्टोरीज में क्या रिलेशन है. इन द वेरी फर्स्ट स्टोरी दे हैव शोन डॉक्टर जगदीश इज जॉइनिंग हॉस्पिटल, बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है, दे वेरी फर्स्ट डे वो लेट हो जाते हैं. अदर पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी दे हैव शोन कि डॉक्टर जगदीश इज अबाउट टू बी सस्पेंडेड फ्रॉम गिविंग एग्जाम्स. ऑडियंस इज नॉट एबल टू रिलेट बिटवीन दोज टू स्टोरीज, एंड इट रियली ग्लूज द होल ऑडियंस टूवर्ड्स watching all those episodes in the further line, like from the episode number 2 to episode number 6, क्योंकि ऑडियंस को ये जानना होता है कि ये दोनों स्टोरी में क्या रिलेशन है. तो ये जो दो स्टोरी चलती रहती है लाइन बाय लाइन, उन दोनों स्टोरीज को ज्वाइन करते हैं डॉक्टर जगदीश हिमसेल्फ इन द फॉर्म ऑफ नरेशन. बहुत बार होता है हर एक एपिसोड में बीच बीच में इंटरवल्स में डॉक्टर जगदीश आते हैं, एक अच्छे इंस्टेंस बताते हैं, उनके लाइफ का इंस्टेंस बताने हैं, साथ ही साथ थोड़ा सा वो स्टोरीज को पास लाते हैं, एंड धीरे धीरे आफ्टर एट द एंड ऑफ सी कि बोथ ऑफ द स्टोरीज आर मीटिंग एट अ मीटिंग पॉइंट, इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट, एंड आफ्टर दैट you get to know what's the real, like what was the real whole concept of the stories, what was the real story behind this whole web series, behind this whole Starting Trouble series. And that's why I really like this show, is because of the plot which has gone through this, because of the thinking which has gone in making this whole series possible right now. So that was all about the plot of this whole Starting Trouble series. Moving on to the characters have been showing a very great phenomenal work in the field of acting, I should say, and also they have been showing contrary characters. Let me just explain this. So हम लोग कैरेक्टर्स की बात करें स्टार्टिंग ट्रबल सीरीज में, यार इसमें भी मेरा एकदम दिमाग खराब हो गया जब मैंने सीरीज में देखा, जब हर एक कैरेक्टर को मैंने नोटिस किया फ्रॉम द वेरी फर्स्ट एपिसोड टू द लास्ट एपिसोड. यू वुड सी मतलब यार लाइक 90% लाइक 180 डिग्री उनके कैरेक्टर पे चेंज आता है, 180 डिग्री उनका होल कैरेक्टर पर्सनैलिटी चेंज हो जाती है. Like, so let me just explain you with an example. In the very first episode, which there was a scene regarding the Dr. Kavita, which is the HOD of the ENT department in that hospital, which has been shown a very hard character, very strict character in the whole web series. But as you move on to the 6th episode, if you watch the last episode, you would see that the character of Dr. Kavita is the most essential character of this whole series, I must say, and it's the most supporting character to the main Dr. Jagdish characters. So बोलते हैं ना यार 180 डिग्री उनके पर्सनैलिटी में चेंज आया. जो फर्स्ट एपिसोड में जब हम लोग को लग रहा था कि यार हाँ, I think the show might go in this, and audience also thinks like this कि यार हाँ, this might be a show related to the instances between the HOD of the whole ENT department, which is Dr. Kavita, and Dr. Jagdish. But it ends up being the whole new, it ends up being the all new dish for all the audience, because as you go on to watching all the episodes, you would see the whole transition from the strict HOD of ENT to the most supportive character of Dr. Jagdish in the very last episode. So ये चीज़ बहुत अच्छी लगी. Moving on to the other, like talking about the other characters, they have done a phenomenal work because of the fact that जो लोगों को जब तुम पहला एपिसोड देखोगे, what perception you develop for each and every character, that would be completely different to the real story. That would be completely different in the 6th episode, because in the 6th episode you would get to know about each and every character, about the thinking behind of each and every character. So finally we have spoken about the character of the whole series, we have spoken about the storyline of the whole series, and we have spoken about the whole Indian medical series scene right now in India. Now we are moving on to the main part of this whole video. The reason why I'm making this video is because of this part of the video only, because in this part of the video we'll be talking about the message that this series has been able to put out in front of Indian medical community right now. And people are also realizing this fact that there was a lack of innovation in the Indian medical community, and there was a lack of all those things that has been shown, that has been put out in front of the audience. There was lack of all the things which has been said in the whole medical series. And the very first message that this series has been successfully put out in front of the audience is the lack of innovation in the Indian medical education, in the Indian hospitals. So basically अभी तक का सीन क्या है, अभी का भी सीन क्या है कि बहुत सारे, like I should say 80% of the innovations what goes on in the healthcare field right now, what goes on in the whole healthcare industry in the whole world is mostly from the West. ठीक है, मेयो क्लिनिक बोलो, क्लीवलैंड बोलो, ये सारी जगहों में मोस्टली इनोवेशंस होते हैं. हर एक जगह पे यहाँ पे ही रिसर्चेस चलती हैं. व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट द इंडियन हेल्थ केयर फील्ड, देयर इज सर्टेनली अ लैक ऑफ इनोवेशन इन द होल स्टूडेंट्स, एंड दैट हैज बीन लाइक, यार लेट्स जस्ट बी वेरी मच रियल विद दिस फैक्ट दैट तुम लोग भी मेडिकल कॉलेजेस में, मैं भी मेडिकल कॉलेज में, एंड टेल मी दिस वन थिंग. How many times have you really thought about doing something new? How many times have you really thought about inventing something new? How many times have you really thought about helping the Indian like helping the whole Indian healthcare field with some kind of innovation? Like no one talks about, and because of the fact that we are very much concentrated towards giving out exams and taking out seats. यहाँ पे जो एग्ज़ाम्स देने में, पीजी के एंट्रेंस की तैयारी करने में, हम लोग यूजी के एंट्रेंस की तैयारी करने में, या फिर अपने कॉलेज के एग्ज़ाम्स की तैयारी करने में, ये सारी चीज़ों में हम लोग एक चीज़ भूल जाते हैं जो कि है इनोवेशन. देयर इज़ सर्टेनली अ नीड ऑफ इनोवेशन इन दिस होल हेल्थ केयर फील्ड, एंड अभी तक के वो चीज़ नहीं हुई है. आई डू थिंक सर्टेनली इन द अपकमिंग ईयर्स इट वुड सर्टेनली ग्रो, द होल इनोवेशन इंडस्ट्री वुड सर्टेनली ग्रो इन द अपकमिंग ईयर्स. So basically that was the first message which was given, but apart from that there has been other small messages which has been given through this series. The second message which it has been put out is there is certainly a kind of population in the whole Indian healthcare field right now in which doctors are kind of resistant towards the new innovations which might come up in the whole future, which might arise in the whole Indian medical scene, and they really want to go on with the whole classical way of doing doctorship. They want to go on with their own classical way of helping patients. and there is certainly a kind of population, but I'm not saying the whole population of doctors, Indian doctors are doing that, but yeah, there is certainly a population of that which is resistant towards the innovation. So yeah, that was about the second message. And the third most important message which this series has put out in front of the audience is the whole, like, it has been put out by the main character Dr. Jagdish himself. Is like, let's just think about this, guys. हम लोग कितने बार, मतलब मेडिकल कॉलेज में हो हमारा, चाहे मैं इंडिया में कर रहे हो या फिर हम लोग फॉरेन में कर रहे हो, 6 साल लगे, 5.5 साल लगे, हाउ मेनी इंस्टेंसेस हैव बीन देयर, लाइक जब हमने अपार्ट फ्रॉम मेडिकल स्टडीज कुछ और के बारे में सोचा. देयर इज सर्टेनली अ पॉपुलेशन हु इज थिंकिंग अबाउट अदर थिंग्स ऑल्सो. देयर इज सर्टेनली अ पॉपुलेशन हु इज थिंकिंग अबाउट other co-curricular activities, but we have to accept this fact. There is certainly a big amount of population which is like only and only into studies and only into treating patients and only into doctorship. So what the series says, what the whole main characters puts out in front of the audience is, apart from doing doctorship, apart from practicing whole medicine, you have to focus upon others also. What I have been able to understand is, डॉक्टर जगदीश को जब जो मन किया उन्होंने वो किया. लाइक he was very much interested towards medicine and he was doing that, but apart from that he liked other things also in the other fields. Like he liked very much doing performance in theaters. He did that. After that he did stand-up comedy, and but while at the same point of time he wasn't really compromising with the main career of him as a doctor, as a person who really wants to help person. So priority is always the healthcare, priority is always the being doctor part, but apart from that you must invest your some time in other things also, whatever your interest might be, whatever your hobbies might be. So that is the third biggest important message which I have been able to understand from the series. And that if you are a person who haven't really seen this show, go and watch this series, and also you must go and follow Dr. Jagdish because of the inspiring personality he is. So yeah, that was all about this video. I think this video was able to put out something interesting for all you guys and something knowledgeable for all you guys. I think you really got something new to learn from this video. Yeah, so yeah, that was all about this video. This is Aman Sharma signing off. And so if you really like this show, if you really like this video, which is like I am experimenting, क्योंकि इतनी बड़ी वीडियो मैं जनरली अपने चैनल पे बनाता नहीं, बट या अगर तुम लोगों को ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो बताना अपने कमेंट बॉक्स में, और तुमने सीरीज देखी तो उसमें तुम्हें क्या समझ में आया तो प्लीज़ नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में डालना, क्योंकि किसी और को हेल्प हो सकती है. ठीक है, सो या, दिस इज अमन शर्मा signing off. We'll be back with another new interesting video. Till then, what you have to do is subscribe to this channel, watch other videos also, and with that, let me just end this video. I will be back with another new interesting video. Bye bye. Till then, goodbye. See you in the next video. Bye bye.